How do we learn to change our lifestyle to help our body adjust to menopause, as well as fit in everything else that's going on in our day? That's the question I asked myself too. From not sleeping to hot flushes, sore joints, low energy, feeling emotional, to gut health problems, palpitations, and of course weight gain, or for some of you weight loss, what do we focus on first? What changes do we need to make, and more importantly, how do we do it? Hi, and welcome to My Menopause Transformation. I'm Dr. Wendy Sweet, and my doctoral studies led me towards designing this 12-week online lifestyle change program specifically for women going through menopause and for those of you already in post-menopause. With your busy lifestyle in mind, I take a progressive approach to your learning, with each of my modules opening up every fortnight for you. Each module focuses on a different subject area, from sleep to energy to stress management to hot flush management, so that after 12 weeks you have the full picture. This gives you time to listen to what I have to tell you and then put this advice into action. You can listen at your pace in the comfort of your own home. This world-class program takes you through the scientifically evidenced lifestyle solutions that we need to put into place as we age. It has helped thousands of women around the world to change some aspects of their lifestyle during and after menopause, when their symptoms and/or weight gain are distracting them from being the best version of themselves. There are two foundation programs: Circuit Breaker for leaner, thinner women, and Transform Me for those of you who are overweight. There is also my exercise program called Rebuild My Fitness, which numerous women complete after finishing one of the foundation programs. All programs are online. There are 7 modules in each, as well as bonus modules specific to your symptoms. Each module opens up for you fortnightly, and you also have access to my private coaching group, which is where I bring you the latest research each week, and you can connect with over 2,000 women also going through this stage of life. The programs also include PDF action plans, information about how to manage your menopause symptoms at work, and you get my fabulous food guide, recipe books, and meal plans. If you need longer than the 12 weeks, then don't worry, this is available for you too. After all, I know how busy you are, so you can remain on board with me for as long as you like for a small monthly fee. Our menopause and post-menopause symptoms can be so confusing, can't they? I used to feel the same. That's why I've taken away this confusion for you in these programs that focus on specific lifestyle solutions. It doesn't matter whether you're on HRT or other medications either. I don't interfere with these. My 12-week programs focus you on the scientifically evidenced lifestyle solutions that brings together knowledge from sleep research to hot flush regulation to nutrition and so much more. Women love what they learn. Choose between Circuit Breaker or Transform Me. If you aren't sure which program is for you, then go to the FAQ page or start with my 2-hour masterclass on menopause and take my free symptoms quiz, or visit my blog page and sign up for my free weekly newsletter. Our menopause transition matters for our ongoing health as we age. I can't emphasize this enough. So if you're as confused as I was, then join me for your menopause transformation, where you learn how to use lifestyle changes to take back control of how you're feeling. I can't wait to support you.